Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users encounter when using their devices. Have you ever been in a situation where your device suddenly freezes or crashes while you're in the middle of an important task? It's a frustrating problem that can happen to anyone, and it often leaves us feeling helpless. But fear not, because today we're going to discuss a solution that can help you tackle this issue head-on. Now, let's talk about the solution. One effective way to address this problem is by clearing the cache of our device. When you clear the cache, you're essentially removing temporary data that can sometimes cause your device to slow down or become unresponsive. By clearing the cache regularly, you can help improve your device's performance and reduce the likelihood of it crashing unexpectedly. It's a simple solution that can make a big difference in how your device functions. In addition to clearing the cache, another helpful solution is to check for any software updates available for your device. Software updates often contain fixes for bugs and security vulnerabilities that could be causing your device to freeze or crash. By keeping your device's software up to date, you can ensure that it's running smoothly and efficiently. It's a proactive approach that can save you from experiencing frustrating interruptions while using your device. To sum it up, encountering device freezes and crashes can be a common problem, but there are simple solutions available to help you address it. By clearing the cache and keeping your software up to date, you can improve your device's performance and prevent unexpected crashes. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy computing.